Bobby from Sahara Waterproofing. This is it. The final step, cementing of the trench. And you can hear the water pouring in. And then real quick, all cemented all the way around the whole perimeter. As you can see. And then this is a drain that goes around the heater because we could not get behind there, so when any water comes out it'll go down through the drain tile and right down into the French drain. And then these are one clean out, the second clean out, and that's it. Bobby from Sahara Waterproofing, signing off.